Hello, welcome to Learn English and Practice with Marie. Today, we will practice with movement at the beginner level. We will do 3 short conversations about things like walking, running, jumping. Please speak, listen, and practice as we go through. Let's go. Keywords: walk, run, jump, dance, go, stop, wave, hug, point. Listen first. Do you like to run? Yes, I do. Great. Do you like to run? I don't. I hate it. Okay. Practice. Me, then you. Do you like to run? Great. No, I don't. Practice. You, then me. I love to run. Do you like to run too? Okay. You try. Pause and practice with, do you like to run? Listen first. What do you do when you see a friend? I run to my friend. Really? Do you hug them? I do. My friends are amazing. That's great. I like to hug my friends too. Awesome. Practice. Me first, then you. What do you do when you see a friend? Great. I usually hug them. Practice. You, then me. I smile and wave when I see a friend. What do you do? Nice. You try. Pause and practice with, what do you do when you see a friend? Listen first. Do you like to dance? Yes, I do. Great. Dancing is fun. I agree. I love to dance too. Awesome. Practice. Me first, then you. Do you like to dance? Me too. Jumping and moving is fun. Of course. Practice. You, then me. I love to dance. Do you jump when you dance? I don't have enough energy for that. You try. Pause and practice with, do you like to dance? Challenge time. Here are the 3 questions we practiced with today. Do you like to run? What do you do when you see a friend? Do you like to dance? Pause and practice with those questions. Great job today. There are other beginner videos on this channel, and there will be an intermediate video on this topic. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me if you like to run in the comments below. I'll put playlists and videos right here. Thanks so much. Goodbye.